In this video, we'll be using two different methods to solve this equation. The first method will be using the standard logarithm. And before we do that, let us square both sides of the equation so as to eliminate the roots. Then we have this to the power of 2. Therefore, we have x squared to be equal. 2 cancels this root. And then we'll be left with 3 to the power of 6 divided by x. And then let's go ahead to take the logarithm of both sides. So we have log of x squared equals the log of 3 to the power of 6 all over x. And according to the law of logarithm, this 2 comes behind and become a coefficient. So we have 2 log of x equals, same applies to 6 over x. Then we have 6 over x log of 3. Moving further also, we can rewrite the right hand side of our equation as 6 log of 3 all divided by x. Go ahead to cross multiply, and after cross multiplication we have 2x log x to be equal 6 log of 3. And once again we go ahead to divide both sides of the equation by 2. So we have x log of x to be equal to 6 divided by 2 gives us 3 log 3. And by direct comparison and observation, we can therefore deduce that therefore x must be equal to 3. Now this is the first standard method. For the second method, we are going to be using a very brilliant trick. Let's start from this part of our equation here that says that x squared equal 3 to the power of 6 divided by x. So the smart thing to do here is to separate the variables from the numbers or the constants. So we can do that by first of all raising the power of both sides by x to the power of x. So we have 3 to the power of 6 over x all raised to the power of x. And then after doing that, we are going to have it that x to the power of 2x equals 3 to the power of 6 because this 2x cancels out. And then moving further, we go ahead also to multiply the power of both sides by 1 over 2. So we have 3 to the power of 6 times 1 over 2. And guys, if you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe so as not to miss more of my videos. Thank you very much. 2 cancels 2. Therefore, here we'll be left with x to the power of x equals 3 to the power of. We can also simplify this and get 3. And then finally, we can compare the two sides of our equation. Then we can deduce therefore that x equals 3. Which of these two methods is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Is it the second method or the first method? Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe.